Mercari user Lose Sneakers is selling a lot of fakes, and he has probably sold a lot of fakes too. Currently active on his page is this Grateful Dead SB Dunk in green, selling for the low price of $850. Number one reason why this is fake. Take a good look at the material on this toe box here. There's the real material. Want to see it again? His real. Reason number two, this box just gives it away. Legit boxes are yellow there. Not supposed to be green on the left side there, Lou. Now this Dior B23 and these Gucci sneakers, he sold for $400. That's really nice of him considering that these Dior sneakers retailed at $1,400. Must have been pretty worn, huh? Okay, so already, fake. Let's go to this Sean Witherspoon, which I happen to specialize in. This says size 10.5, which is my size. So already I know something to look for, and boom, it fails. Box is too small. Size 10.5 Sean Witherspoon boxes also fit a size 11. As you can see, this is basically going heel to toe, so that's fake. Reason number two, the fidelity on the box here. I can see the colors, but they are very dull. Legit box, nice and bright. Fake boxes are dull. Reason number three, color on the top here is a mustard yellow, and retails, I don't know if you want to call it yellow or like sunstruck yellow, but it is a little more sunstruck that you can clearly tell the difference of when you see them next to each other, like you do here in my video on my YouTube. Subscribe. Reason number four, the thickness of these laces. There's what they're laced with, and there's retail. Now, I'll be the first to tell you, these foam runners and these slides, very difficult to legit check, especially based off of pictures. They could be real, they could be not real, but a lot of these clothes are very underpriced for the brand names. Even this Dior coat, he sold this for $665. And on Dior.com, a similar one is $3,100 retail. It's one thing to try to get over on one fake, but it's another thing to make a whole damn business off of it. Lose Sneakers.
You're suspect.